Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Monte Carlo Fashion Limited. So this is a good stock with good fundamentals and technicals is also good because the volume is expanding on green. So on both the volumes and prices are expanding, so it's good to go long in the stock, and I think the stock will give a fantastic return in a short term. So let's analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of Monte Carlo Fashion. So the stock is now performing good, and the stock also broke the downtrend. So it's good to go long in the stock. Look at the channel that traveled by the stock since 2018 to 2020, and now the stock after a good breakout here. Look at the breakout. The breakout was good with a good candle without sellers, and the breakout is accompanied by a accumulation. So this can be taken as accumulation, and after a good accumulation the stock started moving higher, but now the stock is facing the resistance level. So this can be taken as a major resistance in the stock. Look at the support acted here. So these two spots denote that this line is very much valid, so one can consider this as an major resistance in the stock. So now let's move to the lower time frame to analyze further. Now in this weekly chart, look at the yellow line here. This yellow line defines 200-day exponential moving average. So the stock is above the exponential moving average and also took a retracement on that line. So in the weekly chart, the stock is bullish and it's in an uptrend because the stock is above the 200-day moving average. Usually when a stock is above the 200-day moving average, will be considered as a uptrend stock. So the stock is currently in uptrend, and the stock is quite bullish because the volumes are expanding and the prices are also rising. So it's good to go along in the stock. Now let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So this is the daily chart. Let me erase all the noises in the chart. So in the daily chart, the stock actually gave a breakout from a long term range. So this range was followed since 2020. Now the stock is out of the range and the stock is also trading above the range. So it's good to go long. Look at the fake out here. This is a kind of fake out. The stock tried to come out, but the sellers pushed the stock below, and the stock started following the same trend since December 2020 till April 21. So this is the classical example of fake out. Here it's quite weak only, but it's good to see the prices above the range. So the range was followed since 2020, but now it was broken because of the buyers. Look at the candle here. The candle itself tried to break the range, but it took a retracement and now it gave a breakout, but the sellers are huge in this stock, so one should be cautious on taking trades, and the stock is also near the resistance level, so one should be cautious before taking trade. So let me draw the major resistance level that I have shown in the weekly chart. So the stock is currently at the major resistance zone. Look at the resistance. So it's at a major point, so one can take entry above the price range of 370, 380, above the price range of 380, and one can expect the previous all time high, which is around 620, 630 range. So one can take entry above the price range of 370, and safe traders can take entry above the price range of 400 also, and one can place target at 626 level, which is almost a 60% upside from the price of entry. So one can go long in the stock. It's good to go long because the company's business are good, and now the stock is also out of the long term range, so it's good to go long in the stock. And the stock also gave a breakout from another pattern, which is a famous pattern. So it's a inverse head and shoulder pattern. So one can go long in the stock because everything looks bullish, and it's good to go long because the volumes are also expanding. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And finally, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.